Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Good, because the boat's almost fixed. We get to go home.
I'm not going.
What?
What are you talking about?
I found my place. It's here, on this island.
Jason, are you serious?
Lisa.
I am just trying to get a read on this.
For the first time, I know exactly what I want, and I'm not gonna let it slip away.
You are all grown up. I've been waiting for this forever, and... now you're leaving me.
Goodbye, Lisa.
Come.
Lisa, let him go. Go on then. Take care of yourself. That's what you're good at.
That was rough. Harder than I expected. Okay, back on track. Now, Agent Willis.
Thought you were leaving the island.
Nope. I'm staying here.
Not me. This Russia operation's blown wide open. I'm joining Task Force 141 flying out tonight. It was nice working with you.
Thanks. Listen, before you go, I have a favor to ask. Help me take out Hoyt.
Can't be done. Be easier to find a whisker on a Samoan. Although you're welcome to try. I had an agent over there once. He's still alive, I think.
Can you help me get there?
I'm flying over Hoyt's Island on my way to Russia if you want to ride. I'll send you the coordinates.
Perfect. I'll be there.
Plane's leaving in a few minutes. With or without you. Jason, it's the Alamo. The pirates have surrounded me. Come quickly.
Where's that shithead? Holy fucking shit! Oh my god! I'm gonna fuck you up! You're going to die! Those pinkos took the wind out of her sails. I have to fix this. Sounds like more inbound. Cover me. I'm going Where's that shit then? There's nowhere to hide. Drop him! Fuck me! Take that motherfucker down! Fuck you! I'm gonna eat you alive! Halfway there! Let me show you how a man fights! That's nowhere to hide! Fire! I'm moving! Let's see what you got. He's got nowhere to hide! I'm gonna eat you alive!
Almost ready.
Son of a bitch! It's Jason! It's Jason! Grenade! You're safe! He's got nowhere to hide! I'm gonna fuck you up, buddy! Jason! Fuck me! Find you, Jason Brody! Take cover! He's mine! He's got nowhere to hide! We did it! Let's go! man! You hear me? Man, you suck! Fuck me! Oh! I got no clear shot! Out of my way! Let me shoot! Shit! Move! I got the bullet with your hand! Shit! Shit! Out in the open! I'm gonna get You're mine, shithead! Oh my God! Going down! Oh my God! Back! You're in for a behind them! Drop the fighter!
Jason! Get in!
Are you flying this plane to Russia?
No, you kidding? I'm upgrading in Singapore. You know it's illegal to buy or chew gum anywhere in Singapore? Gum is one of the great American pastimes. Those rice pickers are basically declaring war on Uncle Sam.
Thanks.
Get in! I said get in! Oh, that reminds me. My man Sam is embedded with Hoyt's troops. If you whistle the Star-Spangled Banner in Thurston at the Crazy Cock Bar, he'll know I sent you. I gave my whole life to the agency. I made my share of mistakes, but it's about to pay off. Yes, sir! I'm almost out of the jungle! Woo! Your stop! Fly, Jason, fly!
Are you sure this wingsuit works?
Trust me! Just extend your arms, it's gonna work!
Good luck with Russia!
I'm proud out to serve my country!
Woo! Yeah! Awesome!
That was awesome! Who knows if this Sam is even real?
What the? What was that?
Holy shit! The crazy cock exists. Hey.
Hey. Beer?
Yeah. I'm looking for a friend. Privateer named Sam.
There's only one Sam I know. There's a regular poker game at the back. Hoyt's privateers, mostly. You might want to think about getting yourself invited, eh?
Where are you going?
Where do you think? To play poker.
Don't waste your time if you can't afford the buy-in.
This enough?
All right, you're in.
Willkommen to the game. Fresh blood. Have a seat.
Not with this hand.
I call.
I call.
I'm gonna check.
I'll check.
Raise.
Fold.
Fucking gods!
I can't believe I won.
This hand bores me. I'm cashing out.
Already?
You'd like me to continue playing, Carl? Should we raise the stakes?
No, Sam. I was just saying.
Good.
Guess I'm done too.
No refunds.
Who do you work for?
Willis sent me.
How is he? I have been concerned about him, hearing nothing all these years.
He's fine, I guess.
Los!
Where did he go?